In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app and tap on the settings menu in the top right corner. Once you're inside settings, you'll first need to make sure that you have a professional account on Instagram. If you haven't switched to one yet, scroll down to Account Type and Tools, then tap on Switch to Professional Account, and follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. After you've switched to a professional account, go back to the settings page. From there, scroll down until you find Creator Tools and Controls, and then tap on Minimum Age. To remove the minimum age restriction from your account, simply tap the Remove button next to the default setting. If you want to add a minimum age instead, you can tap Add and choose the age you want to set. This can help restrict certain people from accessing your profile based on their age. Once you've made your changes, tap Done in the top right corner, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let me know in the comments.